Hello, this is Thomas Südpacker speaking. Following areas are related to mobile testing. This is the test management, manage, the concrete test automation on a mobile device, automate, and service virtualization to virtualize backends and engage feedback in an early stage.
Now we will use the service virtualization, which is running on the Rational Test Virtualization Server, in combination with the Rational Test Workbench for functional testing. In our last video, we recorded a stub and deployed a stub to the Rational Test Virtualization Server. This stub is still running on this virtualization server. So we will use these now in combination with the functional testing stuff. On the mobile device, the Rational Test Workbench client is installed and in passive mode. We can start the test directly from the Rational Test Workbench. So we will select our test from the Rational Test Workbench we defined in videos before. Just to highlight the capability of the object identification. In this situation, we will identify our object by location. Our object is located below the navigation button. In our test, we are only interested to click on this object and not to verify the content. In our stub, we define that this information will be changed. One option to be independent on the identification of the object itself is the object location we use here. Our assumption is that this navigation button will not change the position and is a good place for a robust identification of the object we want to click on. We identify the button by type and content. Here the content is button. Now we have a robust object identification for our object we want to click on in our test. With this robust object identification, we can execute our test and be sure that our object will be selected even other content will appear. Now we will start the test and we will watch the interaction of the combination of service virtualization and test automation on the mobile device. Now the test is running. We use data pools for data-driven test inside our functional testing, having different users and different value verifications inside our test script. We use service virtualization to be independent from the backend, and we monitor the usage of the service virtualization. When the test was executed, we can verify the log. Inside the log, we get different information about results, response times, screenshots, data verification based on our data pool, and based on this screenshot we can see that the value of the stub were used. I hope this was useful for you and thanks for watching. Bye.